Good evening, YouTube. This is Katrina's of Katrina's Gifts and Such. I pray that everybody had a blessed weekend and a blessed Monday. So today on my Insta story, I talked about I want to learn how to use the technique of a waist day. And I know everyone may not know what a waist day is, but I'm going to inform you so you will know exactly what a waist day is. And so I've been knowing about waist days because they use waist days more in vintage clothing, like from the 1920s to like the 1960s, if I'm not mistaken. If you have any questions, you can also Google that as well. So I have this book, which is the Gertie's book. I have yet to make anything from this book. That's why I'm going to learn how to use the waist day, and I've always wanted to learn how to use this technique. So I'm going to let you know what a waist day is. So waist day is a snug grosgrain ribbon that secures the dress at the waist and prevents it from slipping. And the ideal dresses that you would want to apply this waist day is strapless dresses and fitted bodice dresses, according to Gertie. And I believe that because you want to keep the dress close to you and don't want it slipping or falling over, especially in a strapless dress. And you can use this technique besides boning. And once I perfect this technique, I'm going to do a YouTube video so everyone will know how to use the technique of a waist day. Over the weekend, I made Gertie's pattern 6453, and that would have been the ideal dress to use this technique. And this is the dress that I made. And you can head over to my Instagram page to see the dress that I made over the weekend. And I wore that dress to my daughter's wine tasting party because her birthday was on Wednesday, and we went to wine tasting on Saturday. So don't forget to comment and subscribe, and also hit that little bell so you can be notified of when I upload new videos. And that's it until next time.